Good morning and welcome to Cajun Chef Kitchen. I'm Chef Matthew. Tuesday. Yes, it's Tuesday. Let's start with last night. Last night, I prepared chicken with garlic and herb sauce and the creamy corn casserole and the cheater box of scalloped potatoes. Don't judge me. The creamy corn casserole was good as always. Had leftovers, but again, they won't be around long. The chicken with garlic herb sauce was really good, simple to make. Definitely a repeat. It's a good quick dinner. So I'll get the two recipes posted up this morning, and let's go back into what I got going on today. Today is soup day. It's Cajun potato soup. And we're going to start on this end. We got some russet potatoes, some parsley for garnish, some chicken stock and dewy sausage, olive oil, kosher salt, black pepper, the red bell pepper, a yellow onion, and some celery, some heavy whipping cream. I'm using jarred garlic today. Spices, Cajun blend that I put together. And then some Indian paprika and some cayenne pepper and some sharp cheddar cheese. So that's what I've got going on. How about you? Tell me in the comments. It looks like, just from glancing out my window, it looks like we got some sun coming up here in Yuba City. We're supposed to get some more rain. But for all of you, kind of there's bad weather on the East Coast. We have weather on the West Coast. And for everybody else in the world, stay safe. Have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.